Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail. We have added my go-to coating applicator pads to the website. By the way, this video is brought to you by BC1. Blue Collar 1 is our 3 to 5 year polysiloxane coating. Can be used in a shop setting and also in direct sunlight and high humidity. Link down in the description box. So these applicator pads can be bought by the packs of 10, or individually sized. These are the Microsuede applicators. We use the applicators on a daily basis. I have tried many. I always come back to these. These are my favorite kind. Also compared to the blocks, which are a little bit stiffer with the wraparound suede sheets, and then also these microfiber blocks, a little bit too absorbent for me. I like the in-between Microsuede blocks. They can conform to different sizes and shapes of whatever you are coating with a little bit of pressure. Right out of the pack, the first thing I like to do is grab compressed air and clean off the pads. Fibers, dust, anything can contaminate the pads when it comes to packing and shipping. It's the first thing you want to clean out before it makes contact to that freshly corrected surface you just spent the whole day working on. This is just personal preference, but I prefer the Microsuede blocks over these. The microfiber blocks, although they can have a liner to stop the coating from absorbing into the center of the pad, the fibers are just way too long for me. I like their Microsuede fibers, which I'm going to show you in a few seconds here. Lay down a nice, smooth, even layer of the coating compared to these. And once I get the scope here focused in, you'll see that the shorter nap fibers are a little bit more even, a little bit more organized, and lay down the coating just a little bit smoother, for my taste anyway. When you break out a fresh applicator, prime it first. So get the product all around the surface of the pad that will be making contact to the paint or the clear coat. That way you don't have a dry microfiber scraping along the surface. And then just spread out from there. The next time you go load up, just make a single stripe all the way down the center of the pad and you are good to go. The block is primed. It was a nice even layer, easy to wipe off, time to load up the pad and get back to work. Doesn't much matter if you're applying to or applying on top of single stage, clear coat, paint protection film, wraps, or vinyl. It will leave a nice even layer, and as you can see here, it's conforming to whatever shape the panel is on a peak or a body line or a valley with just a little bit of pressure. The applicator blocks are great for many different types of materials, from painted surfaces, which can sometimes be mirror flat and smooth, to textured plastics and metals, such as the bumper here, which has a mixture of both and even a little bit more. And again, you'll see the block conforming to the shape of whatever we are applying it to with just a little bit of pressure. Wheels. Excellent for wheels with all the intricate designs that are available these days. You'll be able to coat every single one of them with these blocks. Running boards can either be smooth or textured, and they might have plastic or rubber on them, chrome, stainless steel, aluminum, or powder coated, and you can coat every single one of them. Freshly coated RS7 here, but we're working on finishing up the wheels. These are smooth, glossy wheels. They are rather easy to get into the barrel of the wheel without removing the wheel entirely. And we'll do that depending on the budget of the package. But as you can see here, these blocks, they're great for all different types of shapes and designs. And you probably noticed the bottle that did not have a label on it. That is a track grade coating that I am testing the latest version of. And we'll have it on the website as soon as I am satisfied. The block applicator is excellent for window coatings as well. By the way, if you ever have any questions on either my products or whatever I put on the site and anything we review, join our Facebook group. I will have the link down below in the description box.